So, this is one of my morning little meetings. Anything to add to the meetings? I know you do, Miss Benabel. Yeah. Good news and bad news for you, Brody Bear. You're going to be at Western and Brody. Brody Bear, come here please. Penelope, can you move down the bottom? Penny, or hop off, one of the two. Thank you. Thank you, Brody. And just there. Now. Good boy. Squirt, can you hop up please? Squirt, come here. Squirt. Hop up. Wait. Stop. Wait. Brody. Relax. Wait. So what we have here is little Border Collie Ridgeback cross. That's his ridge. Trying to get some butt scratchings. So he's injured his... Wait, Brody, stop, settle. Thank you. Wait. He's injured his right front paw. Had some x-rays and a few other things. Watch out. So what he's doing now will injure himself if he keeps doing it, so I'm going to try to get him calm. I know that with the other ones running around. Squirt. Brody. Stop. Everyone just stop. Settle. Squirt. Lay down or get out. You. Settle. Lay down. On the dog bed now. Squirt. Dog bed. Thank you. Stay. So now I'm going to put him in the cage. Just because he's going to be a little brat, you'll get to see lots of body language. Being a bit hypo. Trying not to listen. This is here to edge of the door, so when they need to do it. So Brody, good boy, thank you. Can you, what I'm going to do to trick him is I'm just going to throw the ball, because I know he loves the ball, at the end of the cage. Move out of the road. Now, don't just close the door. Wait. It's got to be an option of him not leaving because he wants to. I just move it and say wait, and when he stops, moves back or looks at me, good boy, good wait. Wait. So this way you're not fighting with the dog. You're not trying to get the door closed quickly or rush and do that. Get it so that you can touch the door, move away, open it, close it, lock it, then unlock it, wait. So they don't know that every time you touch the cage it's going to be to put them in or take them out. So I'll have him in for probably 10 minutes till he settles down, let his hyperactive little foster friends go for a run, and then he'll chill out and lay down and go to sleep. Brody, can you sit? When you're ready. Good sit, Squirt. So instead of pushing, good boy, thank you Brody, good sit. Instead of pushing him at that time, I realised that he didn't really know what toys or bones he had in the cage. So instead of being naughty, he was just sort of looking for a time. He was initially being a little pushy, testing the boundaries, but he sat, so good boy Brody Bear. Very good. Go to sleep. Alright, so that's it from the puppies and myself. This is little Weston. He's only a baby. This is the leader of the pack, LD. Good boy. Hello. So yeah, hope, hello Poodlehead, good licks. Good licks. Come. Wait, stop, sit, wait. Very good. Squirt, move forward. Squirt, that's backward. Georgia, you were doing good. Good girl. Good sit, thank you. Squirt. To here. So once again, instead of punishing her for not doing it, give her something else. Squirt!